Hey, Bear Scamming at the Eugene Science Center, and today I really want to talk to you about water displacement. Now that's a big word, but basically what water displacement is when something goes inside of a body of water, like this rock per se, it's gonna push water somewhere else. So let's take a look at the water level here on our picture here. So I'm actually gonna take a piece of tape and I'm gonna mark off right where that water level is, right about there. Now, when I put this rock inside of that pitcher of water, the rest of the water is gonna get pushed out of the way at exactly the amount of water that would be the same size as my rock here. So let's take a look. Whoa. So the water level used to be right here and rose all the way up here. That rock took up all that space the water was taking up and pushed it out of the way. Now we're going to do a couple of experiments where you at home, I would love it if you came up with a guess of how many of these things it will take before something spills over. So first we're going to need a cup, and I'm going to save one cup for later. We're going to start by filling that cup right up to the top, right up to the tippy top. And what's going to happen is we're going to start taking some guesses. Oh, right there. You want to bring the camera in right close? See how close that water is to the very top? It's touching my finger. So, water not only gets displaced, but it's really good at holding on to each other. We call that surface tension, and we also call that hydrophilicness. So it likes to stick to each other. Now, what I've got are some marbles. You can see that they're pretty small marbles, but I mean, there's no space left in that cup for any more water. So if we put these marbles in, at some point it's going to start spilling over. So I want you at home to make a guess and guess how many marbles is it going to take before that spills over. Is it going to be just on the first marble? Or is it going to be 2 or 3 marbles? Or is it going to be like 100 marbles? We don't know. We're going to find out. So as soon as you got that guess, we're going to start. So 3, 2, 1, count with me. 1 marble. It's not spilling over yet. All right, here goes the second one. 2 marbles. Still seems dry. 3, 4. I don't see any droplets coming off yet. All right, here goes 5. 5. No, still not spilling over. 6. 7. Oh my goodness, I got plenty of marbles here. All right, so this is 8. 8, oh my goodness. You know, bring in the camera really close, very gentle. You'll actually see the water is above the cup now. And that's that surface tension, holding those water droplets together and holding them and tugging them in tight so they don't spill over. All right, here we go. This is number 9. Wow. Let's go for 10. Oh, we just tripped over. So if your guess was that it was gonna spill over at 10, you guessed correct. Now, feel free to try this at home and see if you and your family can guess how many marbles it'll take. But you don't need to do marbles. Let's say we don't have marbles at home. We're gonna do a different test. And it's all right to get a little bit of water around here. So I'm gonna fill up my second cup. And this time, we're gonna be guessing not with marbles. We're gonna be guessing with pennies. So, once again, we filled that up to the brim right on the top, and we're gonna make a guess how many pennies. Now, pennies are a little wider than a marble, but it's a lot thinner, right? So it's gonna take up a little bit less space. It's gonna displace less water. So start making a guess about how many pennies it'll take before that cup spills over. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my goodness, we're fastly approaching the 10 that the marbles had. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 already. Boy, it's not even cresting off the top. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, you're going to need to start counting with me. So we're at 20. Here comes 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, look for those spills, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Did it spill over? 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Oh, and it spilled over a little bit. So almost 55, 54 pennies took before it spilled over. And it's got that nice little water dome on top. Well, go ahead and try this experiment at home and let me know in the comments how many pennies it took for your cup to spill over. And we'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.